Good morning, grade 1. How are you? Today we will start with the first lesson in term 4. It's called What are liquids? Did you remember when we have talking about the three forms of matter that were covered in term 3, and we said that matter has three forms. What are the three forms of matter? Do you remember them? Solid, liquid, and gas. Remember them? They are solid, liquid, and gas. So the three forms of matter, they are solid, liquid, and gas. And we said that solid keeps its shape and solid has its own shape, like chair, table, pencil, pen. We have different examples of solids, and we have covered what are solids in term 3. But in term 4, we will speak about what are liquids, and liquid is the second form of matter. What is the liquid? Liquid flows. Liquid flows. What is the meaning of flows? It means that it moves steadily, okay, or continuously in a current or stream, right? So any liquid, it flows. Liquid flows. Liquid flows. Like if you look at the bottle here of water and you look at the juice, you find that liquid flows, okay? And any liquid doesn't have its own shape. Liquid doesn't have its own shape like solid. Liquid doesn't have its own shape, but liquid takes the shape of its container. So liquid takes the shape of its container. Again, liquid flows. Liquid flows. Liquid has no shape. Liquid has no shape. Liquid takes the shape of its container. Can you give me an example of liquids? Yes, water is a liquid, coffee is a liquid, tea is a liquid, milk is a liquid, honey is a liquid, right? So liquid flows, liquid flows, liquid has no shape, liquid has no shape. Liquid takes the shape of its container. Okay, this is the first point. The second point that we want to speak about is dissolve. Like if you mix water with salt or you mix water with sugar, the salt and sugar will be mixed with the water and they dissolve, they disappear in water. So dissolve means disappear. And I want you to try this at home with your mom. Try to mix sugar or salt with water and you will find that they disappear or they dissolve with liquid. So dissolve, disappear, dissolve, disappear. There is a word that's called float and or a verb called float and another verb that's called sink. Float, it means that if you get any bucket of water and you fill it with water and you throw like a duck, you will find that the duck stays at the top of the water. So we say that the duck floats. What's the meaning of float? Stay at the top. Float, stay at the top. But when I say sink, it falls to the bottom. Sink falls to the bottom. Float up, sink down. Float up, sink bottom. Okay, so again, float up, sink bottom. Okay, the last thing that we will speak about in our lesson is the measuring cup. The measuring cup is what is used to know how much space liquid takes up. You can find a measuring cup with your mom at home, okay, to measure liquid. We are using the measuring cup to know how much space liquid using the measuring cup to know how much liquid takes up. Again, measuring cup, how much liquid takes up. For the last time, the measuring cup, it's used for liquids only, and it's used to know how much space liquid takes up. Okay, grade 1. So again, liquid flows, liquid flows, liquid has no shape, and it has the shape of its container. Dissolve, disappear, float, up, sink, down. Measuring cup, it's used to know how much liquid takes up. Thanks for watching our video for today. See you later. Bye bye.